Hey Glam Dolls, as you just read on the intro of this video, it is amazing what a $6 eyeshadow palette can do for you. I'm talking about my W7 Romance palette that I purchased from my local Marshalls. This palette was only $6 and it helped to create the eye look that you're seeing. Now, if you don't happen to have this palette, you can still recreate this desired eye look simply by using colors that you may have that's similar to the ones that's in this palette. Enough of me rambling on this intro. Let me show you how I use this palette, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. So dolls, I'm starting out by priming the entire mobile area of my eyes with my fingertips. I'm blending up towards the brow bone, and then using my face setting powder to help set that primer by taking a fluffy blending brush and applying it over the primer. So here's the fun part, my LA Colors Cosmetics tapered blending brush. I am so excited, and I have more in this video that I will be using. But I'm going to first start off by picking up a color closer to my natural skin tone. This one is called Romeo. And I'm just going to take that gorgeous LA Colors tapered blending brush and brush this color all over the mobile area of my eye, focusing in a bit more on the crease, going back into the palette, and this time a pointed precision brush, and pick up the color called Desire. It's a nice chocolate brown color, and it's going to help to warm my crease up. So I'm just placing it there. I'm not blending just yet. Going back, and I really want to start deepening my crease. So this color is called Affair, and I'm using this to put over the original color Desire just to begin deepening my crease. And now I'm going to start blending out just a little bit. So here's another brush, the blending brush, and I'm going to take this blending brush and a color called Valentine and place that on the mobile area of my eye. Look at how gorgeous these colors are. They're not chalky when applied. And with these LA Color makeup brushes, it is blending on my eyes effortlessly easy. Okay, those makeup brushes are the truth. So off camera, did my false eyelashes and wing liner. And oh, let me tell you, Nikki Tutorial broke the internet about this Nivea Poche Balm, which is really for men, but it's for skin, period. It smells like a man, but it works fantastic as a primer. Yeah. So here's another makeup brush, the flat top kabuki brush. Okay, I'm taking this brush and now I'm gonna begin blending in my foundation. My foundation is by Makeup Forever Ultra HD, and this flat top kabuki brush, it doesn't absorb a lot of the product. It's moving the product so seamlessly against my skin. The bristles are very soft, yet the brush is dense enough. Fantastic. Now that my face is blended, I'm highlighting underneath the areas of my eyes. And this is by LA Colors Cosmetics, and I'm blending it with my CoverGirl Under Eye Concealer, perfect combo color. Chiseling out those cheekbones with my e.l.f. Cream Contour Kit, making sure I get the size of my temples. Once I do that, I'm now going to blend out that highlight underneath the areas of my eyes and blend out that contour on the side of my face. But I'm going to now, once I blend this out, I'm going to take a little bit of my face setting powder and begin really chiseling out that contour, because I want it to be just a little bit more pronounced. So this is by LA Colors Cosmetics. It's a loose face setting powder, and I'm putting it underneath the areas of my eyes to kind of set that highlight, and along my jawline just to really chisel on out my contour. I'm going to go ahead and take my Skin Illuminator by LA Colors Cosmetics. Watch the magic. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. Talk about a highlight that's not overwhelming, but giving you the perfect blend. So this is my finalized look. Apply my own lipstick, Miss Glamour Edit Cosmetics Basic Nude Lippy, which will soon be available for purchase. And what do you dolls think? I mean, not bad for $6 for that eyeshadow palette from Marshalls. It really gave me a fabulous look. So, oh, look, I've gotten so addicted to applying faux moles. It's nothing new, but it's new to me doing it. I figured to share it with you all. So that's it. This concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this $6 makeup look, and I will see you in the next one.